Hey everyone, let's go over 3 different ways that you can start a new composition in Adobe After Effects. The first way, probably the most obvious, is to click this new composition button. Click here, and this composition setting window will open. Here you can set a name, so let's name our composition, we'll just leave it at Comp 1. There's different presets here that you can choose if you'd like. You can set the width and the height, you can lock the aspect ratio or unlock it. You can change the pixel aspect ratio, the frame rate. So if we know that we want, let's say, 30 frames a second, 60 frames a second, you can change it here. You can set the resolution here. So this is the resolution that your preview is. I usually set mine to 1/4 just so that when I'm previewing it doesn't take very long to load. You can also change the start time code and the duration. The duration is how long your whole project is. And if you look at it here, this is hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. So if I hit OK here, my duration will be 10 minutes. It's pretty long for an After Effects project unless you're putting a whole video or movie into it. Usually you want to do short clips because After Effects takes up a lot of memory, and doing very long clips will cause it to lag most often. And then you can choose a background color, and this is how it's going to appear in your window. Hit OK, and then there's your composition. Now you see we chose black, but it's transparent here. That's because I have this selected, toggle transparency grid. I can click that, and there's that black background that we chose to have. Another way you can add a composition is going into the composition tab here, going down here to create new composition. Click that. As you can see, it's chose to name it Comp 2. All the settings are the same that we just chose. We can hit OK. Or we can go up here to this composition tab, hit New Composition, select OK. You can also start a composition from media. So we're going to delete these. We're going to import a file into here. Just import this end screen that we use on our videos. If I drag this over to New Composition, it's going to create a composition called end screen because that's what the media is called. And it's going to use all the settings from this, the size, the frame rate, and everything like that. So if you are importing like a video clip, sometimes it's more convenient to just drag that video clip over as your composition, because then you'll know that all your settings match that of the video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and hit like if this was useful to you.